In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a 3 art generator right here on Canva on how to generate images. So right here guys, you want to simply walk with me from the beginning of this video to the very end on how to create text to image using the Canva right here. So right here guys on Canva, you want to simply subscribe to this Canva Pro plan. And once you're done with that, you go onto the apps right here. And I'm just going to show you how to use these 3 tools I'm going to show you right here. And once you're right here guys, go on to the all apps section, and right here you want to simply search for Mojo AI. So you want to simply search for Mojo AI. So this is it. You simply tap on it and go on to the AI Art QR Art Generator. And once you're done with that, you go on to use a new design. And right here, go on to the custom size and simply add in your custom size. So I'm just going to make use of this and this. So once you're done, go on to create new design, and it's going to take you right onto another page. So once you're right here guys, as you can see, we have the infinite art, the vision art, and the QR art right here. But guys, I'm simply going to make use of the infinite art. So you simply type in the ideas to create your masterpiece. So I'm just going to paste in this as my idea right here. And guys, you can also upload an image to apply art. You can simply go on to choose file right here. And once you're done with that, you want to simply select your art style. We have the photographic, cinematic, analog film, long exposure, HDR, and the Kotick right here. So I'm just going to make use of the photographic right here. Then right next is to select your aspect ratio. We have 16 ratio 9, 3 ratio 2, 4 ratio 2, 3, and lots more. I'm going to make use of 1 ratio 1 right here, and you select your image count. I'm going to make this to be 2 and go on to create masterpiece. So right here guys, so you want to simply select your image count, which is 2, and go on to create masterpiece. Now I have 71 credits left, so you can easily sign into the Mojo AI right there and have some credits and simply go on to create masterpiece. So you want to simply relax while you transform your ideas into a work of art, and this might just take a few minutes. So guys, as you can see, these are the 2 images right here. I'm just going to do this and set the image as a background. So this is how amazing this looks like. I'm just going to drag the second image right here guys, and simply set this image as background. Guys, as you can see, this is looking so amazing right here. So I've been able to create this awesome image by simply just giving this an ideas to create my masterpiece. So right here guys, this is it for this AI tool called the Mojo AI. So the next AI tool I'm going to show you right here is this AI tool called the Imagine right here. So guys, you simply go onto the Canva application, and once you're right here, you go onto your app section and you want to simply search for Imagine AI. So I'm just going to do that right here, the Imagine right here. And guys, this is it. You want to simply make use, you want to create photorealistic AI image right there. You go on to use a new design, go on to the custom size, and guys, I want to simply change in my custom size and go on to create new design. So guys, as you can see right here on the Imagine, you want to simply submit a text prompt to generate images. So I'm just going to paste in this as my text prompt, and you can easily try out some of the examples right here made with Imagine. So once you're done with that, you want to simply go on to generate. Now you want to simply sign into the Canva Pro to get some extra credits right here to generate images. You go on to generate right here, and it's going to generate this image right here within a few seconds. So guys, as you can see right here, our images is done. So I'm just going to tap on this particular image and set this image as background to see how this actually looks like. This is looking so amazing. We go on to the next one. I'm just going to add this image right here and set this image as background. Guys, this is it. So this is how you can also make use of this AI tool called Imagine AI to create amazing images using this AI tool. So the next AI tool I'm going to show you, which is the last AI tool for this video, is this AI tool called the text to image or the magic media. So simply go onto the app section, and right here go onto all apps, and you want to simply search for text to image or the magic media. So if you do not have the text to image and you want to simply make use of the magic media, they are the same tool right there. Go on to magic media, and once you are right here, you can instantly generate images and videos with this AI tool. So you simply tap on that, you go on to use a new design, go right onto the custom size, and I can decide to change in this I decide to change my custom size right here and decide to make this to be this, and go on to create new design, and it's going to take us right onto this page. So guys, as you can see, you want to simply describe the image you want and we will generate it for you. So right here guys, I'm just going to paste in this. So I want to create an image like this. You can easily just try out their examples right there, and once you're done with that, you select your styles. As you can see, we have the filmic, watercolor. If you go into the see all, you're going to see all the styles right here that are available right here that you can actually make use of. So right here guys, I'm just going to make use of probably the retro wave right there as my style. And once you're done with selecting your style, you select your aspect ratio. We have the square, the landscape, and the portrait. I'm just going to make use of the square aspect ratio and go on to generate image right here. As you can see, there's an artwork transforming these images right there. So guys, simply wait for a few minutes for this to generate. So guys, as you can see, these are the images. I may easily just tap of any of these images right here. Guys, this is it, and set this image as a background. This is how amazing it actually looks like. Go on to the next and do the same thing right here, and simply just set that particular image as background. As you can see, this is looking so amazing and real right here. So guys, if you want to simply create amazing images right here, you can easily try out this AI tool called the Mojo AI and go on to Imagine, and also try out the Magic Media or Text to Image tool. So guys, these are the 3 Canva AI Art Generator for creating images.